Hey guys, so I've got this vintage Coach station bag to share with you today, and what's unique about this station bag that's fairly uncommon, I would say, with other bags in this style is that this one actually comes with a shorter shoulder strap. This strap is about 36.5 inches approximately. I believe Coach at one point did offer a shorter strap option that you could purchase with station bags, so this is one of the first that I've come across that has a strap length, so it is, I guess, a little bit more on the rare side and probably something that would appeal to the more petite person out there, or just people who really like the shoulder bag style as opposed to crossbody bags. So this is what the strap looks like. As you can see, it's quite a bit shorter than the standard strap. But anyway, I'll go ahead and give you the details about this bag. So I believe the color is likely Tabac, and this bag I would estimate is from the 80s, and the style number was 5130 for station bags, and this one was made in the US, and it actually is the older style and has the creed here in the front pocket, as opposed to in the back pocket on the inside, which you see with the later models. So I'll go ahead and give you a close-up now. So here's what the front looks like. Here's the side. And the other side. And then here's the back. And then it does have a top handle here, and then I'll show you the bottom as well. So here's the bottom of the bag, so you can see about how wide it is. And then I'll show you the inside. So here's the inside. It does have a pocket in the front, and as I mentioned, the creed is here in the front. Hopefully you can see that well on camera. And then it does have a pretty deep slip pocket here on the inside main body compartment of the bag. So it's got a couple nice compartments and pockets that you could put stuff in to store it, make it a little easier to grab stuff when you're out and about. But anyway, that's the station bag. I will of course link it below in our Etsy shop if you want to check it out further. I also have several other vintage Coach station bags available right now, so you can always just look for those in the Etsy shop. I'll have the main Etsy link below. And I have one other station bag that has a shorter shoulder strap also, that's in a darker brown color, so if you're interested in that, you can find that in the Etsy shop, and I'll also be posting a video tour of that as well. So anyway, that's it for this bag. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.